everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever thought about starting your own online tech store, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know how to start a successful online tech store. From choosing the right products to selling them profitably. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to dive into e-commerce or just curious about the tech retail space. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing tips, tools, and strategies that will give you a competitive edge in this fast-growing industry. The technology market is booming, and e-commerce is the future of shopping. Consumers are constantly looking for the latest gadgets, devices, and smart solutions. And this opens up a huge opportunity for you to start selling tech online. Whether it is smartphones, wearable gaming equipment, or smart home devices, the demand is only growing. But to build a successful tech store, it is not just about having a website. It is about building a brand, curating products, and offering an excellent shopping experience. Whether it is smartphones, wearable gaming equipment, or smart home devices, the demand is only growing. But to build a successful tech store, it is not just about having a website. It is about building a brand, curating products, and offering an excellent shopping experience. First, you need to decide what kind of tech products you are going to sell. The tech market is broad, so finding a niche is crucial. A niche helps you target a specific group of customers and stand out in the competitive market. Ask yourself, what tech products are you passionate about? What products do you know a lot about? Here are few popular niches to consider. Once you have chosen your niche, research the market. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Alpharez to analyze demands. Check competition and spot trending products. You want to find a balance between high demand and low competition. Next, you will need to find reliable suppliers for your tech products. There are two main routes you can go: working with wholesalers or dropshipping. Wholesalers like Alibaba or DHgate allow you to buy products in bulk at the lower price, but you will need storage and handle shipping yourself. On the other hand, dropshipping allows you to sell products without keeping inventory. Platforms like Oberlo or Spocket integrate with your e-commerce store, and your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This model is great for beginners with limited capital. Whichever method you choose, make sure to vet your suppliers. Look for product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. You don't want to risk selling low quality tech that leads to customer complaints and returns. Now, it is time to build your online store. The most popular platform for e-commerce include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Shopify is user-friendly and great for beginners. WooCommerce is flexible for WordPress users, and BigCommerce is excellent for scaling businesses. Pick a platform that suits your needs and start designing your store. Focus on clean, modern, and responsive designs that work well on both desktop and mobile. Remember, your online store is your digital forefront, so first impression matters. Make sure you choose a professional looking logo, consistent branding, and create trust signals like customer reviews and secure payment matches. The more trustworthy your store appears, the more likely customers are to buy from you. You have got your store up, product sourced. Now comes the fun part, marketing. To get people to visit your store, you will need a solid marketing strategy. Here are a few effective tactics. Make sure your store is optimized for search engines so customer can find your products. Use keywords in product descriptions, titles, and meta tags. Partner with influencers in your tech niche. Tech YouTubers or Instagram personalities can showcase your products to their followers, driving traffic to your store. Build a social media presence. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are great for showcasing your products, sharing behind the scenes content, and engaging with customers. Collect emails from visitors and send them personalized offers and product updates. Email marketing has one of the highest ROI in the e-commerce. Customer service is key to the success of your store. Offer live chat support, quick email responses, and make sure your customers feel valued. You will also want to implement a return policy and warranty options to build trust. Building a loyal customer base is vital for long-term success. Create a loyalty program where repeat customers get discount or exclusive access to the new products. The more you invest in customer satisfaction, the better your store reputation will be. Once your store is running smoothly, it is time to think about scaling. Consider adding new products, exploring international markets, or investing in better logistics to improve shipping times. Look at automation tools like chatbots for customer service or inventory management software to help you grow efficiently. And there you have it. Everything you need to start a successful online tech store. From finding your niche to marketing your products. It is all about building a strong brand and providing an excellent customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tricks for your online business.